What's up, guys? So this is in front of Quinton Simon's grandmother's home, and apparently all vehicles that go by here do this. I would not want to be these people's neighbors. Uh, I'm saying, even after everything calms down and it's over, I would not want to be these people's neighbors because I would still flip out on these dumbasses like Quentin's family. Even after it's all over. Like these neighbors should make it a point never to be nice to Quentin Simon's family. But let's listen to this truck as it goes by. This is what's happening there all day, every day, even through the night sometimes. Imagine you're laying in bed and all night this is what you're hearing. Now, you got to remember Quentin Simon's family's hearing that, but also all the neighbors on the street are hearing that also. Yeah. Crazy.